Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a smooth transition by creating a zoom in effect on CapCut. So first, just add your clips. In this case, I'm using 2 clips like this, and on the first clip, add 3 keyframes like this at the start, near the end of the clip, and also at the end of the clip. And at the end of the clip, zoom in the clip like this, and then in between the clip, go to grabs and add the ease in to grab. Now click on the second clip, add another keyframe at the start and zoom in the clip like the first one, like this, and then go to the end of the clip, add another keyframe, and in here zoom out the clip, and in between the keyframes go to grab and then add the ease out too. Click on the check icon, and here is the final result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.